Here at the 64th ASH annual meeting, we present on behalf of our colleagues the data on BCMA-98633, which is a next generation CAR-T cell therapy against BCMA. So what this treatment brings is the same construct that we had seen before in Orva-cel, but now manufactured under this new platform that's called NEX-T, that has several different innovations that allow to a faster manufacturing because by giving cells with a higher proliferative potential, better harvesting system, and essentially a proprietary activation reagents that allow for better transduction of the cells. So we treated patients with triple class exposed multiple myeloma. Over 90% had triple class refractory myeloma. On a dose finding part of the study, part 8, that had 3 doses of 20, 40, and 80 million cells. And we end up expanding the second cohort with 40 million cells. And we were able to demonstrate very high activity with 95% overall response rate. And the majority of those responses are VGPR or better. And those responses are still deepening with longer follow-up. The interesting part of this program is also the safety of that CAR-T therapy. We had only one single case on the whole program with 65 patients treated of grade 3 or higher CRS. That was, of course, treated and reversed, and only one case of grade 3 or higher neurotoxicity. We didn't see any other different modality of neurotoxicity for like Parkinson-like symptoms or anything like that. So what really this study brings is the validation of this platform that could be further deployed in other CAR-T, future CAR-T programs that is able to produce rapidly and reliably a product that you can give 1/10 of the cells that most other products, including the commercially available products, and have quick expansion, a more immature T cell profile that we hope is going to ensure that those responses are not only very frequent, but are also long lasting.